Okay, so here's a little review on the order of operations rules that we learned last time in class. I thought it might be helpful if I put together a quick little video. I'm still trying to figure out how to do these, but it's a work in progress. We know that the order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Um, the the thing that I mentioned the other day is that multiplication and division are actually inverse operations. They happen at the same time from left to right, as do addition and subtraction. So in this example here, we have multiplication. I put parentheses around it just to show you that that's the operation that you're going to do first. And inside those parentheses, we have two negatives. So when you multiply two negatives, you're going to get a positive. So I get positive 42, and then I'm going to do the addition last. So 3 plus 42 equals 45. In the next problem, oh, and I put a box around the answer because that's what I like to do at the end of my problems. Number 15, I see multiplication twice, so I can do those kind of at the same time and do the addition at the end. And negative times a negative is a positive, so I get 15 plus, and positive times a negative is a negative, so I get 15 plus negative 10, which equals 5. Now in this next one, what's confusing is that you don't see any parentheses in there, but there's actually parentheses that are implied. And the parentheses are implied because you have all the numbers on the top of the fraction. And actually, this is where these things get confusing because a lot of times we say parentheses go first, but we don't actually tell you that parentheses are often implied in a lot of situations. So the important thing for you is if you don't know to ask questions because we got a lot of help here for you. All right, so in this case, I see that the implied parentheses up top, so I'm going to do everything on the top of the fraction first. And I did 25 plus multiplication comes before addition, so 25 plus 25, and then divided by 10. So I'm going to do 25 plus 25, which is 50, divided by 10, which is 5. Number 13, I see parentheses inside parentheses. They call these like nested parentheses. So I'm going to do 6 plus 3 first, and I believe that's 6, 7, 8, 9. So I get 5 times 4 times 6 times 9 divided by, and on the bottom I can do 6 minus 3 plus 1, but I'll just wait till the next step to do that because those things are all in the set of parentheses. So I'm going to get 5 on the outside, and I'm going to have 36 on the top. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And I get 5 times 36 divided by 4 is 9. And I get 45. And that's my final answer.